50 years. 50 years of bold ideas. Of brave hearts. Of people that build something for which no blueprint exists. We thank the visionaries.
Da Stichworte nennen wie clean, diskret.
The makers, the ones who sketch, explore, engineer.
You know, I've often said, if I'd been a better musician,
With one single goal,
we might not be here this evening because I'd have been a rock star.
engineering fascination. Because true innovation doesn't start in a lab. It starts in wonder. When curiosity meets craft. When passion becomes progress. When a spark turns into a spotlight. A stage. A sound. A moment. A mindset. A promise we live by. Yesterday. Today. Tomorrow. And this is what we are, in every idea that is yet to come. The future, our journey, full of wonder. And you are here to shape it. Together, with passion, with soul. Engineering fascination since 1975 and just getting started.